Hey pretty girls, today I'm going to show you how to sublimate a coffee mug, and it's an 11-ounce coffee mug in the Cricut Mug Press. You're going to need alcohol pads, or if you want to use regular alcohol with a cotton ball, however you want to do it. You're going to need measure the actual sublimation mug, scissors, heat tape, and your image. I won't be using the scissors in the video because or the tape measure because I've already measured my mug and cut my image out. I can give you the dimensions that I use, but it's best if you measure them yourself. You can get a tape measure from the Dollar Tree, which is where I got mine from. I always clean my mug first with the alcohol pad, and then I put my image on. I got the image from Etsy. And as you can see, I am showing you that I lay the image on the mug, and then I pull the heat tape. Now, when you lay your image on the mug, make sure you're pulling the paper tight so that way you don't get ghosting. And ghosting is where it looks like white, or like it didn't sublimate all the way. So make sure you pull it tight. As you can see, I'm pointing right here because I'm showing you that empty space between the image and the handle. You don't want to make your image all the way over to the handle, because when you put it in the Cricut Mug Press, the Mug Press doesn't sublimate all the way over by the handle. So I always leave a little space in between the handle and the image to make sure that it completely sublimates. And this isn't a full wrap design. I could have done a full wrap design. I just did the image one on each side, and I'm just showing you here that I measure my image to make sure it's leveled, and then I pull it tight when I put the heat tape on to make sure it's tight and it's not gonna have ghosting. So here we are, just showing you how it looks. And I wasn't worried about the paper not being cut even on the side because the image isn't right there. So then you just put your mug into the mug press and press it down, and it does the job. It has lights, and once it's done, it'll beep and let you know that it's ready. Make sure you use heat gloves, because when I tell you, that mug is so hot when you take it out. It is very hot. So but the mug is hot. So you want to make sure you use heat gloves when you take it out, and be careful, because I've burnt myself many a times. As you can see, I try to use my hand with my ashy elbows to pull the image off. Look at that shine. Woo! So that's how it looks. That's how it turns out. And I also did the coaster to match, and I have a video on that as well. If you have questions, please leave them below. Please subscribe.